This is our 2020 Volkswagen Jetta. If your Jetta sounds like ours, it has this really small horn there. Today we're swapping out the original OEM horn, of which there was only one, for two, a high and a low horn from Harbor Freight. A little $20 deal, no big deal. Should be significantly louder. And it sounds like this. 73. Wow. Okay, that's louder. Whoa, very different. Get out of my way! Nobody! Okay, what it doesn't come with is any wiring, so it just comes with the relay and the terminals and the two adapters here. What I have here, because the Volkswagen Jetta comes with one horn, is a splitter. It connects to the OEM factory wiring, and it will split it into two connectors. Now these are OEM connectors, so I'm going to cut this off. Unfortunately, found four, luckily enough, that fit. Okay, so I can't find my wire strippers, so I'm gonna do this the old-fashioned way. Pull back some of this tape on the sheathing here. In case I want to use these connectors in the future, I would like to have some cable attached to them. So, just give them that much. Alright, let's just get this crimped. That's not going anywhere. Alright, now we're good. Can't get this thing off, man. I don't know who put these on that day. Urgh! Hercules, man. Hercules put these on. Basically, my plan is fold one under the other. See, there's that lip there. You fold that under there, and then you press it in. That ain't coming off. Okay, now we've got all of our splitter wired up. They'll connect perfectly to this. This is our 2020 Volkswagen Jetta, and if your Jetta sounds anything like our Jetta, it sounds horrible. Just kidding. If your Jetta sounds like ours, it has this really small horn there, and that horn is, compared to this one, significantly smaller. And so we're going to try to see if we can mount one or two of these Harbor Freight horns in its place. 73. Wow. That's it. Alright. 91. 94. 94. But I can probably just peel it back a little bit with these and just disconnect the negative on the battery and keep it going. Check this out from Harbor Freight, the Pittsburgh. It's got a 3/8 inch ratchet and a 1/4 inch ratchet. So you keep it in your car, you get both. It goes right on your socket extensions. And what's the difference? It's low profile. It's the lowest profile you're gonna get. Oh man, it's nice. Anyway. sorry for that. We have the original horn to it, and this is the Harbor Freight horn. Even if I were to just replace the one horn, I mean, I guess this would be significant improvement over this one. Let's go crazy. Let's do them both. What I did here behind the scenes, I put some electrical tape back on the loom that I had taken off before, clean these terminals up with some electrical tape, and then tighten the connectors onto the terminals. I also added one of the adapters from the OEM horn to extend this one a little bit so that I can connect them in the grill. They're just going to go like this onto the same bolt. They'll have enough room separating them. I could have done this like that, but they're very close together. I'll probably end up doing that anyway. Let's see how this goes. This little thing reversed so that it sticks out to the front now, so that I can connect it to extend this guy away from, give that one some clearance. Let's see if we can get that going here. So, as it seems, there's not a lot of room for both of these, actually. So I have them kind of on top of each other a little bit. One is offset with that one little bracket, and then they're otherwise bolted to the same factory location because it doesn't actually fit in between where the bumper ends and such. And it has, the screw has like a little thing on the side of it, so you can't really tilt the horn in another direction. It has to go either straight down or straight up. And straight up also has space limitations, because you might imagine straight up might not fit under there. So straight down is what we got. Alright, no big deal, it's in there. This may have been a 30 mil, a T30, I don't know, it's a T20, so T25. But I tightened it down so much that I got it to just kind of sit in there flush, and they're in there. So they're in. They work. They're much louder. Obviously 2 versus 1, significantly louder. I didn't have to take the whole grill off. I did, however, scrapes from sticking my hand in between here. So maybe if you wore long sleeves or had like the things that come up to your here that protected your wrist, good idea. It's coming down your neck. I don't know if you'd even actually see it there. I don't think you'd see it. Don't you give me grief. Nothing wrong with you. Okay, that's louder. Damn, that's crazy. Whoa, very different. Nobody's on the road, don't worry. Funny. out of my way.